Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off simple mode. You need to begin by going into settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Following that, tap on Special Features, click on Simple Mode, and tap on Enter Simple Mode at the bottom in order to activate it. Then wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, Easy Mode is on. If you wish to go back to the standard one, tap on Settings again. But this time choose Exit Simple Mode at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!